Okay. Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk to you again, because a vision saw me creeping, left its seats while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains, beating the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, with the hollow of a street's lit lamp. I turn my collar to the cold and damp, and my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sounds of silence. And the naked land I saw, 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs their voices never share. No one there disturb the sounds of silence. Footsteps that you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell, echo in the well of silence, and people bowed about and prayed to the name God they made, and the sunrise is warning in the words that it was for me, in the silent words of the prophets are written on the subway walls, and then at home whisper